Hello? Hello, hello? Paano ko man?
Ayaw mo niyo pagsuko na sa si Papa.
Love.
Nadog show niyo man ano yung kaklase man.
The enduring power of English. We stand today at a fascinating crossroads in human history. A single language, English, has woven its way into the very fabric of our globalized world, becoming the lingua franca that connects billions across continents and cultures. But, is this a concern for celebration? Concern. Let us delve into the multifaceted nature of English dominance and explore its profound impact on our shared human experience. Same hail English as the great unifier, a bridge across the chasm of linguistic diversity. It facilitates international trade, scientific collaboration, and cultural exchange on an unprecedented scale. The ease with which information flows across borders, thanks to English, has also accelerated innovation and fostered a sense of global interconnectedness. Think of the countless scientific breakthroughs, artistic collaboration, and business ventures that rely on English as their common tongue. These are undeniable testaments to its power to connect and empower. However, the rise of English as a global language has also sparked anxieties and criticism. Concern about linguistic imperialism is frequently voiced, with accusation that English dominance threatens the survival of less spoken languages will be lost in the shadow of this linguist giant. This is valid concern that demands careful consideration and proactive measure to preserve linguistic diversity. Yet, the reality is far more nuanced. English global reach doesn't necessarily equate to the eradication of other languages. Many languages continue to thrive, adapting and evolving alongside English. We see the emergence of English unique dialects and variations that blend English with local linguistic flavors, creating vibrant and dynamic forms of communication. This linguistic hybridity, rather than representing a loss, can be seen as an enriching process, a testament to the adaptability and resilience of language itself. The future of English as a global language is not a predetermined path. It is a dynamic and evolving landscape shaped by the collective choices and actions of individuals and nations. We must strive to harness the unifying power of English while simultaneously safeguarding the rich tapestry of linguistic diversity. This requires promoting multilingualism, supporting language education, and fostering an environment where all languages are valued and respected. Let us embrace the opportunities presented by English Global Reach, using it as a tool for understanding, collaboration, and progress. But let us be mindful of its potential pitfalls, working diligently to ensure that its dominance does not come at the expense of linguistic and cultural richness. Only then we can truly harness the power of language to build more a just, equitable, and interconnected world. Thank you.